it's the 3rd of October and this is what I'm having for my breakfast. So in here I've got 40 grams of ready breakfast for my Healthy Extra B, milk for my Healthy Extra A, sweetened with some of this Skinny Syrup pumpkin spice, which tastes amazing and smells absolutely gorgeous. Cinnamon, which is free, and then whenever the porridge has been cooked, I chopped up an apple and put it in, so the apple is speed. The orange is speed, banana, which is free, and I've got a kiwi here that I just chopped up, it's free. And a coffee using 20ml of my first or second Healthy Extra A and my water bottle. So no sins for breakfast today, and I'll catch you later for lunch. And so for lunch today, I'm having butternut squash and sweet potato soup. Couldn't remember the name of it there. So it's free and speed. And in here I've got a Mueller Light for half a sin, grapes, which is free, apple, and there's 2 oranges, which are also speed. So it's half a sin for lunch today, and I'll catch it later for dinner. So for dinner tonight, we're having the Slimming World chicken korma, which we made at home. So my husband made this. So it's free, the rice is free, and the broccoli is speed. And I'm having a Tesco white grape and blackberry water, which is free. So I can't wait to try this because it absolutely smells absolutely delicious. So I'll catch you later for snacks. So for snacks tonight, I'm having the Ringo's, the sweet chili, which is 3 sins, the Skinny Whip, which is 4.5. I have an apple and orange for speed, and in here I've got jelly, which is half a sin, and 1.5 sin for the cream, and there's also frozen fruit in there, which is speed. So I'm finishing on 10 sins, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Bye! So if you like this kind of video, please like, comment and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so you get notified whenever I post, which is daily. And if you would like to be in a chance for to win my giveaway, I'll link the video down below. All you have to do is comment on that video to say what your favorite chocolate bar is, and you have to be subscribed to my channel. So I'll catch you again tomorrow. Bye.